morning, students. Now we'll start our second chapter about chemical bonding. Now, first of all, we have read about the chemical bonds. We last year we studied about only two kinds of bond, that is ionic bond and covalent bond. Now this year we are going to study about the one more bond, that is called coordinate bond. Now, first of all, we have to see before going to study about the bonds. First of all, we have to see what we have to see, that is why do elements undergo bond formation. See, bond formation is a techniques in which the electron, as all of you know, we have seen in the electronic configuration, the outermost shell or electron will only get participated in what there in the bond formation. That is called as valence shell. Also the outermost shell is also called as the valence shell. So why do the element go for the bond formation there? In order to complete their octet or the what we can say duplet state. In case of what we can say hydrogen and helium, they only undergo what there to complete their duplet state. See this one. Now if we are talking about an chlorine 287, now for what to complete this outermost octet, means 8 electron in their outermost shell, if we are talking about chlorine there, okay na. Now see, in the same way for hydrogen, they have only first shell, and first shell can accommodate only 2 electron there. For that reason they combine with one more electron from the another atom there and form a duplet state, means they will combine with one more hydrogen atom, and what they will form there, H plus one for this one and one for this one, and all together their octet becomes what there 2. They share electron in that case. Now this is all about what there to why the elements undergo the bond formation. Only in this case we can say to complete their outermost octet or to complete their outermost state there. Now in the next case, first we will go to see in this year we have a special structure. We know about the electronic configuration of different element. So here we are not going to show their electronic configuration. We are going to learn about which kind of structure that is electron dot structure. Electron dot structure. Electron dot structure. What this electron dot structure refer to as? We are going to make a dot-like structure for the electrons there, and it is only for the which one there outermost electron. Suppose take in case of again the chlorine. Chlorine is having total number 17. Electronic configuration will be what there 287. Now outermost shell contains how many electron there? It is 7. For this chlorine, first we have to write down its name, its symbol. Then we have to start filling the electron there. We know that outermost electron can consist of only how many? Maximum of 8 electron. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then start pairing there 5, 6, 7. Now how many electron remaining there? One more electron is needed for the pairing or to complete its octet there. So this kind of structure will be referred to as what there? Electron dot structure. See, in this case we cannot refer to this one there. These structures are not called as electron dot structure. Nucleus, 2 atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These structures are called as orbital structures. What they are called as? Orbital structures. So and this is called as the electron dot structure, or one more name it is called as Lewis structure, since it has been discovered by a scientist known as G.N. Lewis, whom this method of representation is also called as Lewis representation. Clear to all of you that is orbital structure is quite different there. and this is called the Lewis structure. In one more time we are recovering this one there. In that case, only the outermost shell electron will be represented by this structure there. So this is all about the electron dot structure now. And by this electron dot structure we can represent the outermost shell electron, and this representation is also can be termed as the Lewis structure along with that. And this is what we can say that it is called as orbital structure. It can be it has discovered by the scientist Jean Lewis. For that kind, that is reason it is called as the Lewis method of representation there. Now this electron dot structure is having very much importance. We can just see further in this chapter about the electron dot structure. Now students we are moving towards what the electrovalent or ionic bond.